Hello and welcome to my video about very powerful coordination principle. This video has been created by Monika Pavlickova. The coordination principle is based on the idea that reality is not fixed or objective, but rather fluid and subjective. Reality is constantly changing according to our thoughts, feelings, beliefs and actions. We are not passive observers of reality, but active participants in creating it. But how do we create our desired reality? How do we align ourselves with the frequency of our dreams and attract them into our experience? That's where the coordination principle comes in. The coordination principle states that we need to coordinate our inner state with our outer actions in order to manifest our intentions. What does that mean? It means that we need to act as if our desired reality is already here, and feel the emotions that we would feel if it were true. We need to think, speak and behave in ways that are congruent with our vision. We need to embody our desired identity and role in the world. For example, if you want to be a successful author, you need to act as if you already are one. You need to write every day, publish your work, network with other authors, attend events. You also need to feel the joy, confidence and satisfaction that come from being a successful author. You need to think of yourself as an author. Speak of yourself as an author, and live as an author. By doing this, you are sending a clear signal to the universe that this is who you are and what you want. You are creating a feedback loop between your inner state and your outer actions that reinforces your intention. You are also opening yourself up to receive guidance, opportunities and synchronicities that will help you achieve your goal. The coordination principle is not about pretending or lying to yourself or others. It's about aligning yourself with your true essence and potential. It's about living from your highest self and expressing your authentic self. It's about being the best version of yourself and creating the best version of your reality. The coordination principle is simple, but not easy. It requires discipline, consistency and faith. It requires you to overcome your doubts, fears and limiting beliefs. It requires you to step out of your comfort zone and take inspired action. It requires you to trust the process and let go of the outcome. But how do we do that? How do we align ourselves with the reality that we want to experience? How do we avoid getting stuck in the negative loops of fear, doubt, worry and frustration? How do we overcome the challenges and obstacles that seem to block our way? This is where the coordination principle comes in. The coordination principle is a simple but powerful technique that helps us to stay in sync with our desired reality and to attract it effortlessly. It is based on the idea that everything in the universe is connected and coordinated by a higher intelligence that knows what is best for us. We can tap into this intelligence and use it to guide us along our path. The coordination principle works like this. Whenever you encounter a situation that seems negative or unfavorable, don't get distracted by it or agitated by it. Don't overreact or resist it. Instead, act as if this situation will play out to your advantage. See it as a positive opportunity for growth, learning or improvement. Trust that there is a hidden benefit or a blessing in disguise behind it. This positive and calm attitude will create a positive vibration in your energy field and will align you with a positive timeline. The more you practice this technique, the more you will notice that things start to work out for you in miraculous ways. You will see synchronicities, coincidences and signs that confirm that you are on the right track. You will attract people, events and circumstances that support your goals and dreams. You will experience more joy, peace and abundance in your life. The coordination principle is not about denying or ignoring reality. It is about choosing how you perceive and respond to reality. It is about creating your own reality from within. It is about being the master of your destiny. But the rewards are worth it. When you apply the coordination principle in your life, you will see amazing results. You will manifest your dreams faster and easier than ever before. You will experience more joy, peace and abundance than ever before. You will become a master of manifestation and a creator of reality. The coordination principle states that whatever you focus on, you attract more of. Whatever you expect, you receive. Whatever you believe, you become. Whatever you feel, you amplify. Whatever you do, you multiply. In other words, you are the creator of your own reality. But how do you use this principle correctly to manifest your dream life? Well, here are some tips that will help you. Don't get distracted by any negative event or agitated by anything. Stay positive and calm and don't overreact. Act as this negative event will play out to your advantage. See every situation as positive and it will become positive. This positive and calm attitude will lead you on to positive lifeline. Be grateful for everything that happens to you, good or bad. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for more blessings and miracles. It also raises your vibration and aligns you with the source of all abundance. Visualize your desired outcome as if it's already done. Feel the emotions of having it now. Imagine the details and sensations of your dream reality. This will impress your subconscious mind and activate the law of attraction. Take inspired action towards your goals. Don't just sit and wait for things to happen. Follow your intuition and guidance and do what feels right for you. Trust that the universe will coordinate everything for your highest good. Detach from the outcome and let go of any attachment or resistance. Don't worry about how or when or where it will happen. Just know that it will happen at the right time and in the right way. Surrender to the flow of life and enjoy the journey. Whatever you expect, you experience. Whatever you believe, you become. This means that if you want to manifest your dream life, you have to align your consciousness with your desired reality. You have to focus on what you want, expect it to happen, and believe that it is possible and inevitable. You have to act as if you already have what you want, and feel grateful for it. But how do you do that when there are so many negative events and distractions in the world? How do you stay positive and calm when there are so many things that can agitate you or make you overreact? How do you see every situation as positive when there are so many problems and challenges? The answer is simple: you don't let them affect you. You don't let them change your vibration or your state of mind. You don't let them interfere with your coordination. You act as if they are not important or relevant to your reality. You act as if they will play out to your advantage. You see every situation as positive and it will become positive. This positive and calm attitude will lead you on to a positive lifeline. For example, let's say that you want to increase your revenue, sales commissions or income. You have set a clear intention and a specific goal for yourself. You have visualized yourself achieving it and feeling happy about it. You have affirmed it to yourself and to the universe. You have taken inspired action towards it. But then something happens that seems to contradict your intention. Maybe you lose a client, or a deal falls through, or a payment is delayed. Maybe you face some competition, or some criticism, or some rejection. Maybe you encounter some unexpected expenses, or some legal issues, or some taxes. What do? Do you panic? Do you get angry? Do you get frustrated? Do you get discouraged? Do you give up? No. You don't do any of those things. You don't let those events affect your coordination. You don't let them lower your vibration or change your state of mind. You don't let them interfere with your manifestation. Instead, you stay positive and calm. You don't overreact or get emotional. You act as if those events are not important or relevant to your reality. You act as if they will play out to your advantage. You see every situation as positive and it will become positive. You say to yourself, "This is not a problem, this is an opportunity. This is not a setback, this is a breakthrough. This is not a failure, this is a success. This is not a loss, this is a gain. This is not an obstacle, this is a stepping stone." You say to yourself, "This event is coordinated by my consciousness for my highest good. This event is part of the process of manifestation. This event is leading me closer to my goal. This event is a sign that I am on the right track." You say to yourself, "I am grateful for this event. I am grateful for the lessons it teaches me. I am grateful for the growth it gives me. I am grateful for the opportunities it opens up for me." You say to yourself, "I am confident in my ability to achieve my goal. I am confident in the power of my intention. I am confident in the support of the universe." You say to yourself, "I am prosperous in every way. I am attracting more revenue, sales commissions and income every day. I am receiving more money than I ever imagined possible." You say these things with conviction and emotion. You feel them in your heart and soul. You repeat them over and over until they become part of your subconscious programming. And then what happens? The universe responds to your coordination. The universe aligns with your consciousness. The universe delivers what you desire. Your client comes back, or a new one appears. Your deal goes through, or a better one emerges. Your payment arrives, or a bonus shows up. Your competition fades away, or becomes your ally. Your criticism turns into praise, or motivates you to improve. Your rejection becomes acceptance, or leads you to someone else. Your expenses are covered, or reduced, or eliminated. Your legal issues are resolved, or avoided, or dismissed. Your taxes are paid, or refunded, or reduced. Your revenue, sales commissions and income increase exponentially. Your money flows to you easily and effortlessly. Your bank account grows and grows. You achieve your goal and beyond. You manifest your dream life. This is how you use the coordination principle to your advantage. This is how you create your own reality. And if you want a simple and powerful switch words phrase to increase your revenue, sales commissions and income, here it is. Count together divine now. Say it, write it, chant it, sing it, whisper it, think it, feel it. Use it as often as you can. It will activate the coordination principle and attract more money into your life. Remember, you are the creator of your reality. You are the master of your destiny. You are the coordinator of your life. If you want to learn more about the coordination principle and other reality creation techniques, please visit my website manifestingreality.com and follow me on social media. I will share with you more tips and tricks on how to manifest anything you want.